Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best VFD inverters on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. VFD Inverter. The VFD Inverter is a versatile and reliable VFD variable frequency drive inverter that offers a wide output frequency range from 0.1 Hz to 400 Hz. Making it suitable for various industrial and commercial applications. It comes in multiple models with power ratings of 1.5 kilowatts, 2.2 kilowatts, 3.0 kilowatts, 4.0 kilowatts, 5.5 kilowatts, and 7.5 kilowatts, and operates on an input voltage of AC 200 to 260 V and a stable output voltage of AC 220 volts. The inverter is designed to perform reliably in various environmental conditions, handling working temperatures from 14 to 104 and humidity levels from 10% to 95% relative humidity. Its versatile phase configuration allows it to integrate into different electrical systems, providing control for 3-phase motors. The inverter uses SPWM control mode for efficient motor control, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. Its compact and durable design, with a vibration tolerance of 0.4 G, ensures long-term reliability and easy installation. It also comes with C certification, ensuring its reliability and performance. Number 4. Seiko SKI 780 VFD Inverter. The Seiko SKI 780 VFD Inverter is a high-performance variable frequency drive VFD inverter designed for various industrial and commercial applications. It offers a wide output frequency range of 0 to 400 Hz, flexible output power from 1 kW to 200 kW, and a robust output current rating of 5A. The compact and lightweight design of the inverter, measuring 160 mm x 100 mm x 130 mm and weighing just 1 kg, makes it easy to integrate into various setups. The inverter features a triple output type, allowing it to handle multiple motor configurations and meet diverse operational needs. The inverter is customizable and chemical resistant, making it suitable for environments where chemical exposure might be a concern. It also meets stringent quality and safety standards with C certification, ensuring its reliability and performance in various operational settings. Number 3. SUSW VFD Inverter. The SUSW VFD Inverter is a versatile DC-AC inverter with a wide output frequency range from 0 to 999.9 Hz. Making it suitable for various industrial and commercial applications. Its output power ranges from 1 kW to 200 kW, making it suitable for both small and large-scale applications. The inverter features a triple output type, ensuring compatibility with various devices. It is customizable, allowing users to tailor its features to meet specific requirements. The inverter is lightweight at just 1.7 kilograms, making it easy to install and integrate into existing systems. SUSW, a reputable brand from mainland China, is known for delivering reliable and high-performance electrical solutions. The inverter is designed with high concern for chemical resistance, ensuring its longevity and durability even in challenging conditions. Number 2. Inflixen VFD Inverter. The Inflixen VFD Inverter is a high-quality variable frequency drive inverter designed to enhance efficiency and control in motor-driven applications. It offers versatile frequency control, a wide power range, a user-friendly interface, energy efficiency, built-in protection features, a compact design, durable construction, enhanced performance, and comprehensive technical support. The inverter provides precise control over motor speed and torque, allowing for smooth operation and efficient energy usage. Its robust design caters to various industrial and commercial applications, and its user-friendly interface ensures easy setup and configuration. The inverter also features built-in protection features, including overvoltage, undervoltage, and overload protection, ensuring reliable operation and extended equipment lifespan. The compact design makes it an excellent choice for space-constrained environments. Number 1. Landdrive CW100 VFD Inverter. The Landdrive CW100 VFD Inverter is a versatile and reliable solution for industrial and commercial applications. It offers 3 output current configurations, a wide output frequency range of 0 to 500 Hz, and output power variability in 3 ratings: 0.75 kW, 1.5 kW, and 2.2 kW. The inverter supports both AC single-phase and AC three-phase input configurations, making it suitable for diverse setups. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just 1 kg, allows for easy installation in tight spaces. The inverter features a triple output type, ensuring consistent power delivery across multiple output configurations. The CW100 is C-certified, ensuring compliance with European safety and environmental standards, ensuring its quality and reliability. The CW100 is manufactured by Landrive and is C-certified, ensuring its compliance with European safety and environmental standards. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.